All right, y'all, I'm back. Today we're doing another tutorial on finding cheap flights using the free website FlightsFrom and how to use it to find cheap flights, destination ideas, all that jazz. I'm gonna be using Frontier as an example, but you can do this for all airlines. The reason I'm using it is because I use Frontier a lot with the Go Wild Pass and the Discount Den, and they are forever updating and changing their destinations and their city to city routes and which days and times, and it's just a big freaking headache. So when you use this website, you can kind of like narrow it down a bit. So I'm going to show you. It's super easy. Let's go. So first you're going to type in, obviously, flights from, and from here you choose your home airport. I'm going to do Newark, and here it's going to show you like all the scheduled flights out of Newark. Like, wow, it's overwhelming. But from there, you can narrow it down a lot of different ways. But what I like to do is you click this more filters and you go over here. This is where you can start narrowing it down. So if you're like me and you want to stick to Frontier because you want to use your Go Wild Pass, your Discount Den, etc., you don't want to look at any other airlines. We're going to go show more, and there it is, Frontier. And we're just gonna be done. But if you want to, you can really filter out however you want. You could do Delta, first class, you could do aircraft type, filter it by the time, the distance, the duration, the day of the week, the alliance, I mean, however you want. So whatever you're trying to use, you could filter it. So we're going Frontier. So here is the results. We've got 5 options with Frontier out of Newark. And then over here with airlines, it's gonna show if other airlines are also flying from Newark to that destination. If you want to find more details like the time and the days of the weekend, etc., then you're gonna click through. We can click here to see the schedule. You can see they had it 3 days a week in February, and then they had like a little break, and then they're starting up again 3 days a week from March, and you go forward. Wow, then they're gonna have it in April and May daily. And if you click, you can see it's at 11:30. Is that the same every day? Looks like it every day. So much information you can get from this. So this can help you plan how to use your Go Wild Pass really nicely. I have another video on how to get the low fare finder on Frontier, which is very, very helpful if you're using Discount Den. But for finding just flight schedules in general, where you can fly direct from your airport with Frontier, this is so helpful. Let's look at New Orleans. So here's February. That's only United. Okay, sometimes it shows you a route even though it's not really a route. So when we kind of click through, there's nothing showing for Frontier to New Orleans except for they had a flight February 17th, 19th, and 22nd. Literally 3 days, and then that was it. Maybe they had some special flights for Mardi Gras. And then we'll go back. Here's San Juan, and this is gonna show you something really sad. Monthly, there we go, monthly Frontier. 3 flights in March. And then we're gonna have like a month break, and then we're gonna have a few flights at the end of March. And then a daily for a couple of weeks in April. And then nothing. 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 Guys! So yeah, the San Juan route, direct from Newark, which I just did. You can see that video linked below. It was an amazing, super easy, cheap trip. It was like a 114 round trip with Discount Den. That's going away from Newark. Then going back, Atlanta. Atlanta is like one of the only ones it's keeping. So we can go to Atlanta from Newark every month, every day. Just for an example, it's like 6 a.m. The reason you got to get that 6 a.m. flight because Atlanta is one of the only destinations now with Frontier from Newark. So you got to take that 6 a.m. flight to be able to connect to your next flight in Atlanta. And from Atlanta, you can pretty much go anywhere, almost anywhere that Frontier goes. Remember with the new changes with Go Wild Pass, if any part of your flight is domestic, it cannot be beyond the next day or it's gonna have the early booking fee. So if you want the truly Go Wild Pass cheapest ticket option, you gotta make sure any domestic leg is next day. So if you have to connect, then you're gonna wanna make sure you get that 6 a.m. flight out of Newark. Then you're gonna catch that connecting flight in Atlanta. That's gotta be within that same next day option. So this is very helpful to know. Atlanta, still good, still going strong every day, about 6 a.m. and 10 p.m. But the 10 p.m. is not gonna help you with your Go Wild Pass unless you're booking the 10 p.m. flight for same day, and then your connecting flight is next day. Does that make sense? So that can work. If you wake up and you're like, I wanna go somewhere today, then you could get on that 10 p.m. flight to Atlanta, connect the next morning, and be off to wherever, Guatemala, Los Angeles, Aruba, whatever. So let's go back. We've got some more to check. Orlando. March looks like it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. From Newark to Orlando, it's an 11:30 flight, one a day, but not even daily, around 1:30 or 11:30, depending on the day. So that's tricky. That may not help with connecting because Orlando is another hub where you can go on to a lot of places from Orlando. That's not a super early flight. So that's nice if you don't want to wake up early, but it's going to be tough to use your Go Wild Pass with that if you need to connect through Orlando. From April, we're moving to daily flights from Newark to Orlando. 1:30, 1:45, 1:45, 1:45. Looks like that's pretty standard. It's gonna be around 1:30, 1:45 every day from Newark to Orlando from April, May, June, July. Okay, so Newark has taken a hit. We've lost a bunch of flights, but we're still gonna be able to go to Atlanta and Orlando pretty much daily. And from there, you can change a flight and go anywhere with Frontier. Yay! Anyway, I hope that this tutorial helped you understand how to use FlightsFrom. You can use so many different filters, not just for Frontier and Go Wild Pass, but so many things. So very useful. And then you take that information, you go back directly to Frontier or whatever airline you're looking at, and from there you can search the flights that you are thinking you want to take. So yeah, I hope this helped, and go check my other videos because I have a lot of helpful information and tips and tricks for using Frontier, Go Wild Pass, and Discount Den. I also have some destination guides as I'm going to places with Frontier. I'm doing vacation guides for the flights I took, the hotels I stayed at, everything I did while I was there. I've done Dominican Republic and San Juan so far, and I'm trying to do one momcation a month for 2026, and we are on a good roll. So be sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more great content.